Hi, I'm Guy, and I want to know, would you like to be a state executive director for the Route 6 Tourist Association? The Route 6 Tourist Association benefits really greatly from having state executive directors, and there's several key reasons. I've got it spelled out in a Google document that's in the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com. Real quick, I'm going to go over, you can get local insights from a executive director. You can get relationship building going on with the state executive director, can cultivate relationships with local businesses, government bodies, communities, even like libraries, okay? And event coordination, representation, communication, those are just a few of the things that a state executive director could do. I've got it also listed in the document of the states that we need a state executive director for. We've got an agent in every state, but we need a state executive director in California, Nevada, Colorado, Nebraska, Iowa, and Massachusetts. Are you ready to hit the road and explore Route 6? Then the contact information for the executive director, the president, is in that document as well. Remember, I've got them so you can get them. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.